And welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change and you can see only a channel category on YouTube. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how I can do it. So basically, channel category is when you search for a specific video, search for a specific channel. You don't want all these videos to show up. Like if I show you, if I go on here on YouTube and I click on search for red, for example, as you can see, these are videos, shorts, and all this kind of stuff. I don't want videos and shorts to show up. I want only channels. So how we can do this? It's actually pretty easy, and you cannot do it all again from here. I can also only make it shorts or videos. But other than that, there's no way where you can make it only channels. How we can do this is basically you're going to click on the three buttons, and then you're going to click on search filters. Now, from search filters, you're going to change type from all to channel, and then you're going to click on apply. And as you can see, you're only going to see channels that has the name red in it. So yeah, it was that easy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.